Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw CRM exports in Salesforce Data Export detailed guide step by. To begin withdrawing CRM exports in Salesforce Data Export, log into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on the app launcher, often represented by a grid icon. In the search bar, type Data Export and select Data Export from the drop-down list. On the Data Export page, look for the button labeled Export Now. If you would like to schedule regular exports, click on Schedule Export instead. Once you click Export Now, you will be presented with various data options to export. Review the list of objects available for export and select the ones you need. You can choose to include attachments and documents by checking the relevant boxes. Be sure to select the format you prefer for your export, either CSV or Excel. After making your selections, scroll down and click the Start Export button to initiate the process. Salesforce will begin preparing your data for export, which may take some time. Once the export is complete, you will receive an email notification with a link to download your files. Open your email and click on the link provided to access your exported data. The files will usually be in a compressed zip format. Download the zip file and save it to your desired location on your device. After downloading, locate the zip file and extract its contents. You will now have access to your CRM data exports. Review the exported files to ensure they include the information you need. If any adjustments are necessary, return to the data export page and repeat the process as needed. This concludes the detailed guide on how to withdraw CRM exports in Salesforce Data Export. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.